Makeup for beginners. Before applying makeup directly onto your skin, make sure your skin is clean, hydrated and moisturized, which means you have washed your face with a cleanser, then apply a hydrating toner, then go with a good moisturizer. No matter what skin type you have, follow these steps, which is so important. If it is a daytime, after your moisturizer, apply a good SPF. Once you're done with your skincare, give at least 15 minutes before going in with your makeup, which is so important. For base makeup, you can use a skin tint or a foundation. Instead of applying directly on your face, always apply on the back of your hand. Then take a little bit with your finger, apply on the face. If you have a brush, you can blend with your brush. If you don't have a brush, I have a tip here. Use your makeup puff. It's easy to blend with a makeup puff and also gives you the most natural, flawless finish. So the skin tint or foundation is going to even out your skin tone. Make sure you dab the puff until the product is well blended. If you want more coverage around your eyes, mouth, go with a concealer because concealers are usually more pigmented than skin tint or foundations. Take the concealer and apply on the back of your hand and pick up a little bit with a puff or a brush and then just stamp it like so. Just dab, 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 dab until it is blended and you're happy with the coverage. Do we see that difference? Then repeat the same on all the areas where you want a little more coverage. Take your time to blend. Also apply on the eyelid if you have any pigmentation that you want to cover, and then around mouth, around nose, and also if you want to add more coverage on any other area. So once you're happy with the coverage of foundation and concealer, grab a setting powder, preferably a translucent one, and take it on the cap like this. Then again, go with a puff, pick up the powder, even out on the back of your hand, then press it to set the concealer to avoid any creasing, because sometimes concealer can crease, so it is always best to set the concealer with powder. Also take it on the eyelids. You can also use the same setting powder to set your foundation as well. Again, take the powder, even out on the back of your hand, press it all over the face. If you're using cream, blush or bronzer, you have to use it before applying powder. So the next step is to add definition to your face. You need a bronzer. I would highly recommend using a powder bronzer instead of liquid, because liquid products are sometimes not so easy to work with. Powder products are perfect for beginners. Always pick up a little bit with your brush, apply it on the perimeter of your face to give some definition to the face. Start from here, go like this, and then like this in a 3 shape. Don't forget to add the bronzer to the nose as well. Do we see how defined this looks compared to this side? Yes! And also feel free to skip any step that you don't want. And for the blush, again, I would recommend using a powder blush instead of liquid products. Okay, liquid blushes are sometimes too pigmented and it's hard to blend. With powder blushes, you can always take a little bit and then build up the color. You can also use cream products, but make sure to use it before your powder. Just take your favorite blush. Use a dense angled brush. A brush like this is perfect to apply bronzer as well as blush. Place it. Build up the pigmentation as you want. We don't want the blush and bronzer look separated. Blending is the key. And that's pretty much it for the base makeup. I hope this video is helpful.